Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here for a quick Cocoa Daisy unboxing and how I'm going to use this kit for the month. If you're new, welcome. I'm Jen. So I didn't get much this month. The theme, I didn't know. I like the colors, but I didn't know how the theme was going to be. Like, I wanted to see it in person. So I was debating if I was going to sell it or keep it. So we will see. So I'm trying to hold on to my Deluxe journaling kit because it is very hard to get that kit. So we are going to see. So for this month, let's see what this says. Celebrating 15 years, Cocoa Daisy, stationery company. And then this is like a thank you card from Christine. And I've been with Cocoa Daisy since, I think I've said it before, since about 2017. So she's been going since 2010. So I've been with her almost 10 years. So here is a vellum sticker. So that is the theme. It was mushrooms, lots and lots of mushrooms. So the theme is called Moss and Mirth. And then on the back, here is a little behind the scenes of how she chose that for November. And so I just got the Deluxe kit. I usually get a like a notebook for journaling. So I got that, and then I don't always get these, but around like fall time, I like to do like some memory keeping. I honestly don't know why I got this because I am actually using my Hobonichi in November. So we will see. I may end up even possibly selling that. We'll see. And then I got the classic cousin sticker kit. So go ahead and take a quick look. I have really been enjoying the journaling kit. It is my favorite. So here is the cute little field note stamp. And then it says observed, gathered, and remembered. So it's almost like a theme, like going out and going into nature. I guess scavenging for mushrooms. So I'm going to give a quick look. So here are the tabs. Actually, let me move this and I can do a quick showing of the... So tons and tons of mushrooms. I'm glad there are some ferns in there. The colors are really pretty. See, I like these colors right here. That's so pretty. That green and that like orange there. Then lots of mushrooms. Okay, there's some pine cone. More mushrooms, mushrooms and ferns, mushrooms, and some kind of leaves. These are some kind of berries and a huge, huge fern. Okay. So you get the die cuts. Here is, oh, this, I didn't know the sticky note was that big. It's a nice size. Let's see. Looks like it is 3 by 4. I like that. We don't get that size too often. I can actually use this in my my memory keeping pocket. And then here's the washi. So I'm honestly glad it's not mushrooms, because this is enough mushrooms here. And then here, the journaling prompt for November. And then there's the stickers right there. So what I probably end up doing, I'm going to show you, is I have some other things in my stash. So I will probably mix up a few of these mushrooms, and then every year I just put some mushrooms in some of my layouts. And actually, I am supposed to possibly be getting the Toad and Frog cover. I'm hoping that goes through from somebody I know in Japan. So if I do, then I can do like maybe some little fun things from, you know, about Toad and Frog. This is pretty. So that's nice. I could flip this, or well, let's see. Yeah, I could like cut a strip and use the middle or something. But I really did like this color. That's really pretty. Those kind of aquas and green, a little bit of turquoise. And then some letters, stickers, alphas. Then more, some ferns. These are actually some pretty big fern. There. And here. That's pretty. I like that. Little winds, quiet thoughts. I like that. Definitely. Then here is the vellum. That's cute. Like the gold foiling on it. And then the specialty paper. Lots of texture. Then here is the, oh my gosh, there's so many. Here, let's show this first. Lots of mushrooms. Yeah, I'm debating. We will see, we will see. And then here's some more paper. Oh, on the back is like the pattern. Then they always like have one paper with the like theme on it and one like blank. And on the back they have this ledger, which I like that. Like this color. I can definitely use those. And then here's the paper pack. This paper pack is in the, sorry, I'm so close. The planner and the, I like that. That's pretty. Okay, and there's your mushrooms and the pine cone at the top. Oh, I guess it goes this way. It's hanging. So I could use like this side and then use this side. Then the ferns. Oh, that's nice. That looks like it almost matches the washi. It does. Pretty. The ferns. And here, some sayings. I don't know if it's from a book or what. Oh, Farmer Bassett. Wait a minute. Farmer Bassett. That sounds familiar. That is from a book. That's pretty. That watercolor. I always like a good watercolor paper. So I like the paper. And then these are the classic. So from what I remember, there wasn't a lot of mushrooms. I don't know, that's why I kind of picked the classic. This would fit like the Happy Planner, but you can use it for whatever. So I like that. Just that right there, just a little bit of mushrooms. And then here, rooted and rested. Being grateful. I really like the greens. The greens are really pretty. Like some like look kind of like the aqua. And some mushrooms and some ferns and some sayings. This is what I like. There's no mushrooms on I know I keep saying that. I'm sorry, you guys. I like this. That's why I got that too. I like the days of the week. And these colors right here are so pretty. The color scheme is beautiful. We'll see. Yep, here, I like those flowers. I've seen those flowers before. And then the numbers and the letters. Then here on the back. Yeah, that's nice. There are some, I don't want to be long with this video. It's just going to be very quick. Because I know there's plenty of videos out there showing. So nice about this, even though it has mushrooms, I could still fill in some other, like from past Cocoa Daisy kits. Let's see, that's pretty. That's why I got this book, because the colors were so pretty. And I can cover up some of the mushrooms. It's an easy cover up. That is so pretty. I like the patterns. Just a really quick flip through. Okay. And then I was just going to share some stuff from past kits that I'm planning on using. So like this, oh, that's kind of the color scheme I'm kind of seeing. See, there's some more mushrooms. So this would go really well with this theme, but it also has some flowers. Then I have a few little die cuts in here. And this is from like past kits. I don't know. I just kind of threw, I think, a Mod Podge of things, more mushrooms. Those like look very whimsical. Then here's some stickers from Graceful Muse. I think these would actually go really pretty. Probably can kind of, I don't know. I was just kind of seeing possibly maybe I can use some of the images or like this right here. Maybe for my memory keeping. More mushrooms. can't get away from the mushrooms. Oh, that's okay. That's so pretty. But yeah, this okay. This is it. This almost looks like the same artist, but I'm not sure. I actually bought this as a de-stash. It was really reasonable. These stickers will go pretty well with it. Maybe some of those. But yeah, just showing a few things. She made this kind of like a pencil board. And then these are, she made a dashboard, but I can use this paper. Let's see how pretty that is. So yeah, so that goes with the theme. So I can kind of add some of these items in to my kit. Those are dashboards, butterflies and ferns. That's pretty. So yeah, so if you've been with Cocoa Daisy for a while, you know there's plenty of items. And also this beautiful, like, this is leaves. So this color scheme would go really good with all those mushrooms. So I'm thinking I can do like kind of a mix. This was such a pretty, and on the back it's the same, but this is such a pretty scheme, but it goes very well with this color scheme. So yeah, so stay tuned. And then I also actually found this. I ended up finding this book, and I had pulled some of these pages out from a past Cocoa Daisy. I think this was from last year actually. So if I wanted to add some mushrooms in here, that would be good because it won't be like over mushroomy. But yeah, this was from November, I think like 2018 or something. But the colors go so well with it. And then I even have some like stickers, extra sticker sheets. I feel like it just goes really well. These are Sadie stickers. This is Graceful Muse stickers. But I just feel like it just goes very well with November. And even here, some of the greens and the browns. This is from 2023. This was one of my favorite kits. So I can kind of incorporate kind of like an outdoorsy theme, but also like an indoorsy theme. There's some sterling ink I have. So just trying to incorporate some items from my stash. And I also have this. I bought this clearance out when she had her shop open. So that could kind of go to as well as this. So yeah. And this, that's so pretty. I never used that. That is so pretty. I just feel like all this would go well. I like to mix my kits. And maybe even some of these pumpkins and stuff. So thanks so much for taking the time to watch this unboxing and kind of seeing what I can mix in. So that's what I've been kind of doing with my Cocoa Daisy, is paring down to maybe 1 or 2 kits. Like for December, I think I'm going to only do 1 kit and try to incorporate. Just as a spoiler alert, I had some extra items from previous, so I'm really trying to use my stash and purchase less so I can, you know, get some new but mix it kind of with the old. So just to give you some ideas. And you know, like these sticky notes they used to give all the time, so I can incorporate those as well in my planners or journals. So hopefully you got some ideas, and even this cute little Simon stamp. And I hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.